problem Lantana Camara esilayo. Lantana Camara it's sprayed with seeds. So those seeds we can get them even from traveling. It can like iyakwanisa ukubambela noma emavirini emota or anyway. Then when it germinates, once the plant has grown and matured, it will be producing more seeds so that they will be spreading around. So here at Mary Ellen we do have a problem of Lantana Camara, and now we are trying by all means to control Lantana Camara. The ways that we are using is physical ways whereby we come and cut Lantana with axes, then we paint with kaputi. After like painting, then what we'll be doing with what we have cut, we just put them in heaps, then they will rot as time goes on, as we discourage using fire, because fire will destroy everything that we have. So far, that's what we are trying to do at Mary Ellen Farm.
What are you going to do with the land once you have removed it?
Once we remove the Lantana Camara, as it is encroached and there is no grass under it, we are going to come and plant our giant rose grass on those areas, so that we try by all means to reinforce our paddocks, and so that we can improve our paddocks for our livestock.
Okay, and then what are the sources of your fire here at Mary Ellen in terms of the red fires?
So far at Mary Ellen, the incident that we have came across of veld fires, it came out of the farm, so we didn't really know what was the cause of the fire, but it affected some of the fields that had it. It was in 2018. Then so far after that we have never faced any veld fires so far.
Ngesindebele iLantana ithiwa kuyini?
But I'm not sure.
Misamobane eliyenzayo ukuze ngalingaquma iLantana leyi eliyenzayo ukuthi ingasahambi njalo kwezinye indawo.
So far thina singaquma iLantana, what we do, siyayibuthelela kuphela siyeke libole, then nxa kungaba lokunye okuphumileyo siyabuya thina le glyphosate, then we do what we call spot spraying. Siyabe sesibulele konke le ntanga zangikhona eziyabe zikhithikile. So that's what we do.
Okay, I hear you are mentioning a lot about Lantana, but what are the implications that it has, especially on you? You are farming, right? So what are the implications? Does it have?
And then the implications that we get from Lantana, it invades our paddocks, so we won't be having enough grazing lands, and also it kills our vegetation, our pastures for grazing, and also by that it will be like increasing the land degradation chances, whereby we don't have grass, and when water flows it will be going with our soil nutrients, like everything.
Ukhulume ngesiringa, isiringa silihlupha njani lapha eMary Ellen?
Isiringa naso ngesinye isihlahla esihluphayo njalo sipoisonous. Inkomo zingasidla ziyafa. So thina lapha sile inkomo njalo silezinye inyamazana ezingakhona ukuthi